Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 8 to 14, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So for you, Cancer, let's see what's coming. Ano yung ganap? And also, it's Cancer season. So happy birthday. Happy solar return. I wish you all the best in life. Happiness, success, good health. Okay? So let's see the overall energy for you, Cancer. The Three of Cups. Okay, so this is about celebration, happiness. So maaring meron kang mga ganap ngayong week na to na kung saan you will meet new friends or kahit hindi new, no? Kahit mga matatagal mo na kaibigan, may reunion, ganyan. So may mga events, salo-salo na pupuntahan ka to celebrate. Pwedeng mag-celebrate ka ng achievements mo, achievements ng friends mo. Okay, so let's see your possible challenge. We have the Judgment card as your challenge. So some of you, maaring nahihirapan kayong mag-let go ng isang bagay na matagal nyo nang pinanghahawakan kasi feeling nyo, kailangan nyo, pero sa totoo lang hindi na. Okay? Whatever that is. Kasi pwedeng meron ditong, like for example, unhealthy habits na kaya lang natin yun, kaya natin pinanghahawakan. Kaya yun kasi minsan meron siyang pleasure na ibibigay sa atin. 'Di ba? But actually, it's not good for us. No? It's bad for us. For example, yung mga unhealthy food na syempre masarap, 'di ba? But it's not doing any good sa ating kalusugan, lalo na kung meron na kayong mga health conditions, okay? So, yun yung challenge sa inyo, kung paano ninyo tatalikuran ang anything unhealthy or bad for you para ma-reinvent mo yung sarili mo to a brand new you. So, let's see your opportunity. Oh my God. See, yung opportunity mo is transformation. This is major transformation for you, Cancer. Okay? You have the opportunity to end a cycle in your life that is no longer serving your highest good and enter a new chapter of your life. A new beginning. Okay? Let's see, for some of you, ano yung mga areas of life mo to? You have the 6th house. Oh my God, sa health mo to. Health conditions. So, anything unhealthy, you are letting that go para makapag-reinvent ka ng sarili mo, a brand new you. 'Di ba? Yung iba yung nakikita natin sa TikTok, sa social media. Yung talagang nagtatransform yung buhay nila. Oo. Like, dati sila ay overweight or obese, and then after some time, kumbaga, meron silang mga ginawang actions para sa katawan nila. Nagkaroon ng disiplina. So, they really changed their lives for the better. Yung iba naman routine, no? Routine na alam mong hindi nakakabuti sa'yo na ginagawa mo. You will let go of that. And first house is also about yourself. So, talagang itong major transformation na to is para sa sarili mo to. So, your blessing is, wow, look at that. Ooh la la. The blessing is abundance, money, overflowing money. You have more than enough. Yung mga needs mo ay well taken care of. What is the 3 of Cups? You have the 9 of Wands. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kang mga isa-celebrate na success na alam mo talagang pinaghirapan mo. Kumbaga, nanamnamin mo yung tagumpay dahil alam mo sa sarili mo na trinabaho mo yun, in-effortan mo. What is Judgment? You have the 2 of Coins. Some of you, itong babaguhin nyo sa inyong buhay ay yung spending habits ninyo. Kung kayo ay medyo gastador, tapos na-realize na parang wala kayong naiipon. So ngayon, may wake-up call sa inyo na, uy, kailangan mo nang mag-cut ng iyong spendings. Mag-focus ka lang sa kailangan mo at magkaroon ka ng disiplina sa sarili mo na makapag-ipon. Can be anything related to some money, no? The way you handle your finances. What is the death card? You have the Nine of Coins. Oh my God. So this is about stability, stability ng finances mo, financial independence. So talagang marami kang opportunity ngayon na baguhin yung estado ng buhay mo the moment na i-let go mo yung unhealthy habits mo. What is the Ten of Coins? You have the Five of Wands. Okay, some of you, maaring you are going to be more competitive, no? Competitive ka sa work, competitive ka sa business, at dahil doon, mas lalo kang na-i-inspire to become a better version of yourself, especially in creating money, especially sa yung career. So, kumbaga, ano yun eh, parang domino effect na siya eh, na it will just follow. Kumbaga, yung rewards will just follow dahil sa mga pinaghihirapan mo. Let's see what else. Okay, you have the Sun in Pisces in the 12th house. You have a vision. Meron kang pangarap. Nakikita mo na yung sarili mo a few years from now. So, yun yung ginagawa mong inspiration, yung ginagawa mong guide para magtuloy-tuloy ka sa iyong pangarap, sa mga siniset mo na mga plano sa buhay mo. Oh my God, look at that. You have the Sun in Capricorn in the 10th house, achievement. Focus na focus ka sa iyong career, sa mga bagay na gusto mo pang ma-achieve. And I think ngayong week na to, makikita mo na yung yung resulta ng mga binabago mo sa sarili mo, sa buhay mo eh. Kumbaga, yung mga early stages ng results na yan, it is showing. Makikita mo na. You have the Moon in Leo in the 5th house. You will also gain mga admirers. Oo. I feel like mas nakakakuha ka ngayon ng attention sa iba. Some of you, merong pwedeng makaka-attract ka ng romantic connection this week, or merong taong magpapakita ng kabutihan sa'yo or pagkagiliw sa'yo because of who you really are. Parang, na-inspire sila sa'yo, ina-admire nila yung iyong work ethics, yung mga ginagawa mo. Kumbaga, they see you as an achiever. No? So, yung pagiging achiever mo, yun yung nagiging reason rin para ma-attract sila sa'yo. Okay, some of you maaaring makaka-receive kayo ng bulaklak from someone, like a gesture of admiration. May energy ng female for a person dito, female figure. Okay, also have fish. Itong fish na to is about success. Success in your ventures. Kung meron kang mga inaasikasong business, trabaho, career, ayan, there's definitely success. You also have letter. Meron ditong message, good news coming in. Maaring yung iba, merong isang babae sa buhay nyo, magdadala siya ng good news sa'yo. Pwedeng may ibabalita siya sa'yo. Kumbaga, bringer of good news siya. Let's see what else. You have a heart. You have a heart. Okay. The heart is about joy, good fortune. So I think ngayong week na to, you will enjoy. You will appreciate yung mga magagandang bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Yun yung sinasabi nilang, my heart is full. Parang nag-uumapaw yung iyong puso sa appreciation, sa mga blessings, at sa mga experiences na nararanasan mo with the people you love, yung mga taong sumusuporta sa'yo. And some of you, maaring may admirer. Pwedeng magsisimula ang isang, magbo-bloom ang isang romantic connection. Adapt to Adapt to place and circumstance to discover happiness and contentment. Oh my God. Cancer. Yes. This really makes sense. Kasi ang heart is happiness, contentment. So yung iba sa inyo, yung parang makakaramdam kayo ng contentment sa situation na meron kayo, na parang wala na kayong hihilingin pa because you're being supported by the people na mahal mo, and then may mga nagbabago sa buhay mo for the better, mas nagiging determinado ka to transform your life, okay? So that's really exciting. So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.